Hi, my name is Devarshi. I am 21 years old. I did my lacing through CFS City Light Surat. The problem I was facing was I was always wearing glasses with high numbers and I cannot see letters. So I decided to go with the lacing surgery. Through one of the doctors in CFS, they recommended me to do silk surgery since it gives less discomfort after surgery. So in the start, I didn't know how the surgery is going to be. So when I went there and the surgery was finished, it was total painless and I literally didn't feel any kind of discomfort. I would like to thank Dr. Paresh Vaidya and his team for their support for during and after surgery. And I would also recommend anyone to come to CFS for any kind of specific eye problems.
Hi guys, my name is Prakash. I'm from Surat, and today I'm at the hospital is a center for sight at City Light Road in Surat. I've been wearing a spec for a long period of time, almost like 20 years, and I've been experiencing a lot of problem while wearing a spec. Right, desperately I wanted to get rid of my spec, and I've been waiting for some good technology which can help me to get rid of my glass. So somehow I come to know about silk technology, which is something new in Surat right now, and which is available at the hospital name Center for Sight at City Light. ઘણા બધા ટાઈમથી મને એવું લાગતું હતું કે આઈની સર્જરી કરાવીને મારા ગ્લાસ રિમૂવ કરાવી નાખું. I'm not saying there were many technology available like LASIK and Smile, but મને થોડો concern હતો that maybe it has some side effect which I'm concerned about. Recovery time was more than like my expectation, so એની પણ મને થોડો issue હતો. But when I come to know about silkની technology એવી છે કે જે એની recovery time is very speedy recovery within 24 to 48 hours. The best part of the technology is quality of vision, which I'm really impressed with. It's absolute transparent, crystal clear result they provide. So these are the good things which I like it, and then I opted to go for the my surgery at Center for Sight. My doctor was Paresh Vaidya, and he is a exceptionally very well qualified doctor. He has a lot of experience. He's been in the hospital for last 25 years, and so I definitely would like to thank him for the kind of service, the kind of care they provide, and also I also would like to thank his team, his healthcare team, all the colleagues, the staff were exceptionally very well. They were so kind, so careful, and they take care of everything. After the surgery, what I experienced with myself, with the kind of vision I got it, what, I am absolutely amazed, absolutely stunned. My vision is restored within 24 hours. I started experiencing everything crystal and clear, and after 24 hours, I started going to my work. So there was no problem at all. And the main thing, there was no side effect experience till date. No dryness, no inflammation, nothing. Just put some eye drops and that's it. So I'm absolutely delighted. I'm very happy the kind of result the Center for Sight they give me, and I would definitely recommend everybody, those who are planning or those will plan to get rid of their glass in future. Best place in Surat right now is Center for Sight at City Light Road in Surat.
Follow Planet Lasik and post your queries to get answers from the experts.